Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I have something interesting for you today. This is the Lego gift tag or present gift tags, and there are a set of stickers that come with orders usually in December from Lego Shop at Home. Now, we have some from this year showing right here, and coming up we'll have the sheet from last year as well. I put links down below in the description so you can go there, download a copy of these, and print them off for yourself. Not everybody can spend money at Shop at Home and get these free stickers for your gifts. So, therefore, I just made it readily available for anyone who may want to get them and print them off. I believe this is something they started last year. I have not seen it in previous years. Of course, they may have, and I just never paid attention to it. I don't know. However, this year's we have a Yeti, we have a Christmas tree, we have the snowman, and the iconic gingerbread man. And also from the upcoming Lego Movie 2, we have, of course, Unikitty, Emmett with a Santa's hat. Not sure that's a Space Ranger or what it is down in the left corner. And, of course, we also have Emmett's girlfriend, Wild Style. So, these are cool. These are like 4 and 4, which makes 8 tags. So, print them off, punch a hole in them or whatever, and then attach them to your gifts, or you just print them off, cut them out, and tape them on your gifts. I did that last year for the family, and it was well received. Now, coming up, I have last year's from 2017. It's called Shake Up the Imagination. So we have like a couple Lego gifts, a different snowman, the Lego train, which is kind of cool if you have train gifts or someone that's a train buff. We have the elf and the teddy bear, the Yeti again, and once again the iconic gingerbread man. So now that the Yeti is in twice, as well as the gingerbread man, and they came out around the same time, does that make the Yeti iconic too? I think it does. You guys let me know down below. They say the gingerbread man is iconic. Well, Lego overuses the word iconic quite a bit, so I think the Yeti should be iconic as well. But then again, a Christmas tree is iconic, so everything could be iconic. Who knows? Let me know what you guys think. Once again, we do have a Christmas tree and a North Pole sign. So that's pretty cool. Print them off, tape them on your packages. People love them. I know my dad is a train buff and train freak. I put all labels for him with using the train. He absolutely loved it. He wanted to know where I got them, and this is where I got them from. They came with an order, and they only send you one sheet per order. So if you have more than 8 gifts to give out, you're kind of out of luck unless you scan these and print them off. That's what I always do with my stickers that I get in sets, scan them for posterity's sake and for archival purposes, as well as these Christmas present labels. So use the link down below in the description to get either or of these printable gift tags. There's 2 links, one for each year. Hope you enjoy, hope you use them, and Merry Christmas. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video.